Hello and welcome to Abano News. Today I'm going to talk to you about a brand that is launching a new cigar, and this brand is not very well known. It's called Rafael Gonzalez. The full name of this brand is La Flor de Rafael Gonzalez Marquez. This brand is nearly 100 years old. It was created 95 years ago by a man called Rafael Gonzalez Marquez, and the name of the brand was called La Flor de Marquez. It was purchased 8 years later in 1936 by the El Rey del Mundo cigar brand. That is why a lot of people are saying that there are similarities between the two companies, because since that day, El Rey del Mundo has been making the Rafael Gonzalez cigars. In 1940, the name was changed to La Flor de Rafael Gonzalez, and then in 1954, it was changed again to La Flor de Rafael Gonzalez Marquez. We know it as Rafael Gonzalez. These cigars are this brand is known as being making light cigars, and the new cigar I'm going to talk to you is called the Coronas de Lonsdales. It's an Hermosos No.4, 48 by 127. And this is the box. It's a box of 10. And I'm going to show you inside. I really like these boxes because they're simple. There are no special stickers, no gold, nothing looking expensive. The value is in the cigars. The smell is beautiful. So here it is. I'm going to show you this cigar. So this is a fourth standard production cigar in the brand. Most of the cigars are smaller size cigars, smaller rings. This is the biggest of the four by ring size. They are all below 50. This is 48 and below. And I'm going to light it up. I already tried this cigar a few weeks ago. I purchased some sticks, and I must say that I was not particularly impressed. According to Zino Davidov, every collector, every cigar aficionado ought to have Rafael Gonzalez cigars in his collection. But what happens is, since the Zino Davidov's days, when he sold his company in the 70s, most of the collection of cigars from the brand were discontinued, and there was a Coronas Lonsdales. This is a Coronas de Lonsdales, but there was a Coronas de Lonsdales that was also 127 millimeters in length, but it was 44 ring size. So they are just using again similar name to the one we had before. So what happened is, I need to relight my cigar. Here it is. That is much better than the one I tried a few weeks ago. So the box code is EBP May 23. I bought this box in Switzerland, and the price is, I cannot see without my glasses, but I think it's 157 Swiss francs. So it's about $15, $16 a stick. And it's true that as cigar aficionados, we have to find cheaper cigars to smoke, especially if you smoke like me on a regular basis. And that's why I was very keen to try the cigar, the same as the La Flor de Cano elegidos that I tried a few days ago, because it's important to be able to find cheaper cigars, but with a good blend. And I, I recommend, especially the people who are starting this journey towards the Cuban cigars, to look at the smaller size cigars, try the blends, try the different cigars, and find which cigars you like. Because you don't have to spend a fortune to enjoy a good Cuban cigar. There are, for example, the Paul Larrañaga Petit Coronas that are wonderful if you can find a cab of 50. They're affordable cigars, less around $10 a piece, at least in Europe. And this is a beautiful cigar. If you can age it a little bit, it's even better. If you can find a box on auctions, um, wonderful cigar. And this, so far, is very mild, but the taste is good. And in a previous video about aging cigars, Murad from House of Grara was recommending aging this. So I will listen to him and get a couple of boxes and age them for a few years to see what happens to the taste. I mean, they're mild cigars, they're light cigars, so a lot of people assume that you can only age strong cigars. It's not true. Hoyo de Monterrey, which is not making strong cigars, is known to age. The cigars are known to age very well, and I don't. Not many people know that in the past, before launching his own brand, Davidoff cigars, the Chateau collection, were made by Hoyo de Monterrey. And nobody's saying that Davidoff cigars didn't age. And I've smoked old vintage Davidoff cigars and they age wonderfully. So it's not because the cigar is strong that it will age well. If the blend is made to age, and it will age well. And this you only know when you age your cigars and you taste them. Once you start feeling that the taste is sort of losing some quality, it's not as good as it was before, then you only, you know, I would say that the taste with aging goes like this. And as you taste and it goes and it's good, it's good, it's good. And then if it starts to go down, then you know it's time to finish your box because it will not get better. So this is the new cigar called Rafael Gonzalez Coronas de Lonsdales. I think it's worth mentioning because I think it is a good value and it's a very good cigar. I'm going to Cyprus to attend an event by Fenicia. Fenicia is one, if not the biggest distributor of Cuban cigar in the in Africa and the Middle East, and they are based in Cyprus. It's a Lebanese family running the company, and they are launching three cigars, and they are making a big event on the 2nd of December in Limassol. So I'm going to make a video about this event. I hope you like this video. If you can afford it, Buy this box. If you can only buy a few sticks, try it. It's worth it. At least this one. Uh, Hope to see you soon. Please subscribe to the channel, and goodbye.